Want to start composting, but you're tired of people overcomplicating it, or making it seem like you have to spend way too much money just to get started? Well, today I'm going to show you a cheap, easy, and efficient way to get started with your own compost bin, and go over some of the tips needed to help have healthy compost to put into your garden, or to throw your neighbors, whatever you want to do with it. However, I don't recommend throwing it at your neighbors. It's pretty rude. Hello and welcome back to Gaia's Garden. Let's get started with the items needed. You'll need 24 boards. I had picked up these 3-foot boards from the local hardware store for 90 cents a piece. They were in the scrap section. You will need 12 L-type brackets, 6 angle brackets, a drill, a square, and a staple gun, and some plastic chicken wire, which clearly is not just for chickens anymore. I don't know why they felt the need to try to make chicken wire super exciting, but I'm getting off topic, so let's get back to it. First thing you want to do is take the L-shaped brackets, just square off the boards and attach those like so. Just continue the process until you're left with 3 panels that look like this. And then you can see, just take your plastic chicken wire, roll it out, staple it to the boards, and you just want to make sure that you pull it tight. Then once you get it stapled on there, you can just use a pair of scissors to cut the plastic chicken wire from the roll. I just used exterior wood screws to attach 4 of the loose boards to the panel that I had made. And you just want to be careful to not screw into the L brackets in between the boards. Then you'll be left with 3 panels that resemble this. Check the description for links to great products. And you use the angle brackets to attach them to one another at the corner. You do one at the top, one at the bottom, and one in the center. Then when you're finished, you'll be left with something that looks like this. I just took mine, put it by the tree line. Then you want to fill it with 75% brown material and then 25% green. The brown material is carbon rich, green material is nitrogen rich, which will help create a balanced compost pile that decomposes efficiently. And if you want to speed up the decomposition process, you can always put a tarp over it. Brown material is things like dried leaves, straw or hay, newspaper, cardboard, and the green materials would be fresh grass clippings, fruits and vegetable scraps from the kitchen, even coffee grounds. If this was helpful and you like what you've seen, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can get notified when I post more, because there are a lot more projects on the way. Thanks for watching.